Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use JazzCash to pay for your orders on Temu. So let's get right into it. Now, of course, for this, you need to have an open JazzCash account and you do need to have the JazzCash mobile app to be able to access your information, which you'll need to input in certain places. Now, once you've made your order or once you get your items in your cart, you can just go to the cart to make sure that everything is in order right over here, and then once you're done with that, you can click on checkout. Now here you'll be able to enter all your shipping information, and once you do, you can then continue to payment. Now as you can see, I can't because I don't have any addresses, so let me just quickly fill it out. There we go. And then you can just get to your search, for example, street, I don't know, Piccadilly Square, or let's say Piccadilly Valley Lane, so in Kent. Additional delivery information, postcode, town, and county. There we go. We can then continue to the payment. Just click it's correct, and now here you can select your payment method. Now, depending on your region, you will of course have JazzCash as the option here. Then just select that, enter all the information that's needed, and that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.